life. For those unfamiliar with the Renault 17, this car was a symbol of 1970s sports coupe design. Sharp, angular, and undeniably bold. From the 4 headlamps to its frameless doors, the Renault 17 oozed confidence and style, selling over 92,000 units in its original run. But Renault draped the R17 in a second skin. Look at those clean lines and wider fenders, a design philosophy Ora Ïto calls holding, and that 270 horsepower electric powertrain sitting at the rear. This Restomod isn't just a tribute, it's a statement. Under the hood, or rather the pedal seat structure, but you'll find new upholstery, merino wool, and a central screen that combines the classic with the contemporary. What I love about this car is how Renault and Ora Ïto managed to keep the soul of the Renault 17 alive. From the rectangular headlamps to the subtle nods in the interior. Unveiled at Maison 5 in Paris, the R17 electric Restomod is set to make appearances at the Chantilly Arts and Elegance and the Paris Motor Show. It's not a production model, but a one-of-a-kind concept, a collector's dream. So, there you have it, an iconic Renault transformed for the future. The R17 electric Restomod is not just a car, it's a piece of art on wheels. What do you think? Should Renault bring more classics into the electric era? Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into the world of automotive innovation, and let us know in the comments which classic car you'd like to see electrified next. This is Automoto Network, signing off.